Hi, Integrated Science. This is Miss Satterley. I'm going to go over the first PowerPoint for this semester. So you should have already looked at the slides. There was a vocabulary assignment that went with it, and there's also a homework assignment that has been posted today as well. So first off, what is science? So science is a system of knowledge and methods you use to find that knowledge. Science begins with curiosity and often ends with discovery. Curiosity is wondering how something works. So that's how science usually works. Someone develops a question and they experiment on it to find out answers about that topic. Technology also is related to science. Technology is the use of knowledge to solve practical problems. Advances in technology often lead to advance in science. So the more technology that we've had throughout the last 100 years has led to a lot of advancements in science that wouldn't have been able to happen without those new technologies. So the branches of science, there are actually two divisions of science. We have social science and natural science. This class is going to deal with natural science. So there's three branches of natural science. That's physical, earth and space, and life science. Social science is going to be history, sociology, so types of science that are going to deal with people. So our first one, physical science. Physical science focuses on non-living things. There's two main areas, chemistry and physics. We will talk about chemistry first semester, and then we'll get into some physics topics in second semester. So chemistry is the study of composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter. So there's a lot of different things that go with that. Physics is the study of matter and energy and the interactions between them using force and motion. There are actually some topics that are taught in both physics and chemistry, and they're very similar. Some of that includes the study of gases, energy, just to name a couple examples. Our next branch is Earth and Space Science. Earth science is the application of physics and chemistry to study Earth. One of the major sciences under Earth and Space Science is geology. Geology is the study of the origin, history, and structure of Earth, and one of the primary focuses of geology is the study of rocks. Space science. Space science is the application of physics and chemistry to study the universe. The major branch under this is called astronomy. Astronomy is the study of the universe beyond Earth. Astronomy includes our sun and our moon and all the planets in our solar system, but it also includes all of the other stars and galaxies. So there's a lot of things out there that astronomy looks at. Our last one is life science. Life science has to do with biology. Biology is the study of life. Sometimes it's defined as the scientific study of life. Biology includes both physics and chemistry, but it only deals with how those topics are related to living things. Biology deals with the study of origin and behavior of living things, and it also looks at how organisms grow, survive, and reproduce. There are actually four big ideas in physical science. This includes space and time, matter and change, forces and motion, and energy. And we're going to talk about each one of these briefly. So first one, space and time. The universe is included in this. The universe is both very big and very old. It is thought to be 13.7 billion years old, and it's very, very, very large. Now, this is a picture of what is thought to be cosmic background radiation. The universe is thought to be encased in kind of this energy source that's around all of it that holds it all together. So that's what that picture is showing. Matter and change is our next big idea. Matter has volume and mass. Matter is going to deal with anything that takes up space. There are different phases of matter, includes solid, liquid, and gas, and we'll actually talk about the different phases of matter in a couple weeks. Matter also has to do with atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. There are three molecules found in an atom, an electron, proton, and neutron. So if you look over here, this is a picture of an atom. So this is the protons and neutrons are found in something called the nucleus, and then the electron is outside the nucleus in the electron cloud. Next one is force and motion. Force is a push or pull on an object. Forces are going to cause a change in motion, and it's also a big concept in the laws of physics. So Isaac Newton was a physicist that came up with the different laws of motion. There's actually 3 of them, and that's something we'll look at as well. So push or pull. So this individual is pushing on this wall while this person is pulling, and both of those are types of force. Our last slide for today is energy. Energy is the ability to do work. There are 2 main types of energy, kinetic and potential. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion, and potential is stored energy. Stored energy can be released to form kinetic energy. There's different types of these 2 energy sources. Potential energy includes chemical energy, which is found in food. And then kinetic energy can include mechanical energy. So mechanical energy would be motion of objects. One of the major concepts with energy is that energy can be changed from one form to another, but never destroyed. So you cannot get rid of energy. It can just be lost into a different form. It can be given off as heat. Chemical can become mechanical. So that's one of the major things of energy. Energy is more of a physics topic, so we'll talk about that next semester. Okay, that is all the slides for today. So this was a shorter lesson for our first one. You do have a homework assignment that goes with this, so make sure you complete the homework assignment. Again, if you have any questions for me, you can message me on Google Classroom. You're more than welcome to call up at the school or email me as well. Thank you.